Let's know about some types of doctors. Doctor of heart, cardiologist. Doctor of bone, orthopedic. Doctor of brain, neurologist. Doctor of child, pediatrician. Doctor of lungs, pulmonologist. Doctor of cancer, oncologist. Doctor of mind, psychiatrist. Doctor of surgery, surgeon. Doctor of skin, dermatologist. Doctor of teeth, dentist. Doctor of liver, hepatologist. Doctor of women, gynecologist. Doctor of stomach, gastroenterologist. Doctor of ears, otolaryngologist. Doctor of animals, veterinarian. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.